Well, he attack me. But Jayden chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and it's exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, post a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the naysayers, those who wish to take the crown. Some of them are artists, some of them are supporters of these artists. Now, viewers and subscribers, even Winford Williams see for himself firsthand what supporters of Vybz Kartel and the Gaza Nation we go through on a daily basis. Now, viewers and subscribers, one person said that Winford should be ashamed of using the platform to promote a convicted artist and his music, who according to them was undeserving of the publicity. Now, for those not in the know, Williams debuted a new Kartel song on Saturday, May 16th. And the track was titled About Us. It's even a track stating about the conditions of liberty and what take place in different parts of the world, and of course, right here on the island. And people still find things for talk, negative things. Now the world boss responded directly. And him said, nothing should be heard from him or what them say, while he was behind the bars. And this conduct could not take place in a North America. No, the boss have to respond to them and say, watch a player. Ma just sell gold certified by RIAA in America, based in North America. Him say only some bossy slave could have chat out of the wrong end of them body. Him say me make 73 million Jamaican off of the album this far. And Fever so reach platinum status. For those who don't know, when an album sells gold, a 500,000 copies sold. When an album go platinum, we are talking about the million mark. Some yardy artists who make some talk, some yardy artists who reside in America have never seen $1 million US. They might know if $1 million are Jamaican, and that $1 million Jamaican dollars is 10,000 US. They not seen a whole heap of millions viewers and subscribers. No, but we are talking about even sales. Remember, these songs have got to necessary distribution. So, you know, different, whether it be Zodiac or whatever the case may be. So, it's different when you look on it, that point of view. But them not sell no song. Them songs are not being sold. Now, the person continue to say on these trolls, my kids are fine and prison is the best place for you, Kartel. You remember when you used to DJ for just a bag juice and make them make up them thing? When them ever see the artist a DJ for bag juice? Who them? Anyway, him say you find yourself a prison for 2 pair of shoes when you could have buy a shoes factory. I wonder if this person actually feel like say the whole incident was over sneakers. Because they must say shoes factory. I wonder if them actually be, this is the point that we are trying to point out to. You have naysayers that are, them not do them research. Them not really, them don't even know what Vybz Kartel is behind the bars for. We have put it at that. Them don't know what Vybz Kartel behind the bars for. Some people might feel like saying they're behind the bars for the shoes, as we refer to them. That is euphemism. It is not actually shoes, but the shoes. Some people have it saying that for Lizard. Some people who are actually wise enough to know say, yo, it's a multitude of reasons why them try to get the teacher behind the bars. And at the root of it, influence and control. Nothing to do with shoes, nothing to do with Lizard. But that are for those in the know. For the regular naysayers, people who just say, because you have remember this to people. You have spectators of great events. Meaning say people who are there for witness, them a life they can see what go on. And them just feel like say, I feel them beautiful try to tear down things that look great. Yeah, you have some people where them pass even a street sign being put up, and they just put up recently, and you pass and them a swing from the street sign. Like them a try to pull it down. It just in a need with them fine for say, yo, watch you know. But just do that. Them don't really have no logic behind them actions neither. Them do it basically because it's just as I say, a feeling with them have. You know what I mean? You vibe with them feel like, say, what you know? We don't feel like say nobody there for big, so. We don't feel like nobody for big like Vybz Kartel, so. We can have some subpar artists, yes, but a superstar, a giant of that magnitude, no, sir. And then just get up and then go about them days and find negative things to say. When somebody can say, oh, Winford should be ashamed for using his platform to promote an incarcerated artist. Listen to the type of music and a Bobby mixtape it got depend. Massive B, volume 2nd. So even that within themselves, what am I trying to say? They must say, no, even though me, let's say an artist is behind the bars and me start produce music and I have a verse from that artist. I'm a producer, I'm not the artist myself. But get the rhythm, engineer make the beat, and we get the incarcerated artist to give some tracks we need having storage and we'll get them and we'll put them on a track. So we're not trying to say that song should not be heard because of the artist's current situation. So I want him family for feed. Want to me as a producer, want to my family for feed. You feel like the production for free? What you mean by it shouldn't be promoted? Oi, remember this. Bobby Condas are them I'm responsible for Johnny Wonder. Them man they already have him job at 97. The song will be played. The song will be played on one of the biggest radio stations in North America. Some of them now want to talk about North America. I always find this interesting. Jamaicans who reside here on the island. Some of them have them visa and fly out one time. Go stay with some family member overseas. Them like me talk about foreign like them born over there. This couldn't go on a foreign. Yo, when this a go on, no, that count. What you know about foreign? Let me tell you this. You see, first world countries all started off as third world countries and then work them way up. You see the sewage and them thing I want to see all covered up. It used to start running on the streets. You ever see New York before New York is what it is now? You don't know nothing, to do some research before they make some statements. And stop put down our own island, our own people, and our own culture. And stop telling about this could not Murray. Lil Wayne was in incarceration when the mixtape dropped. The year when him get hold on pan, because there was an incident named tour bus, and there was a revolver, and a year and couple months later he was convicted. That was the same month when mixtape was slated to be released. I mean, they already do promotion and all kind of things for it. And then put it out. But we're not trying to say. We don't know, we're not trying. Remember, regardless of what an individual goes through for them find themselves behind the bars, it's a place of reform. So while there, them can change and whatever the case may be. You don't know the teacher and do nothing. That's why I'm not expecting for reform. Because remember, if you did not do anything, there's nothing for you to change. Am I correct? So that's why I don't expect Vybz Kartel to change, because you also believe that he is innocent. You know, I say what? At the best place for him, because of his persona and the impact what you feel like him would have in a dancehall music. So most people are saying, no, I better him stay there, sir. We can still hear him music. He can still give money to him youth them, grandchild and the way, and everything good. But want to the freedom of the individual. Just because you don't see our individual fit into the way you see society being run, that doesn't mean you should be given the power to do so. We need to put some more. See people who become judges, it needs to be a more strenuous process. Because you notice this, remember, lawyer's job is to find a way to bend the law for either get a conviction or to prove his client's innocence. These are the same people who eventually become judges. Now you see what I mean? After spending a career bending the rules, these are now the overseers to the same rules. That's an oxymoron within itself. Maybe judges should only be judges and have never been lawyers. Because some of them know to manipulate the system. And as judges, them continue to manipulate the very same system. I see the one called Jayden Chase. the dancehall correspondent, and the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Put it on all. This is how you'll be notified of all fresh content. All of my reason, them diverse topics. So, you know something go. Put it on all. Like icon in close proximity to the share icon. Use up the two of them. Turn it blue and share the vlog. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason. Join the discussion. We're not gonna join the discussion. The comment section, man. Be respectful and mindful, however. Now go there, go talk all kind of things. Be respectful. Remember, it's a public platform. No nasty. But we can continue reasoning via the comment section. I hope move settings from live, love and prosper until the reason again.